Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be showing you how to download Mycelium Bitcoin wallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your app store and go to the search box at the top and type in Mycelium. Once you come across this application, tap on the download or the get button and start downloading the application on your device. Now wait until the application is installed, which will take a couple of minutes. Once you are done with the download, tap on open to launch open Mycelium application. That is how you can easily download Mycelium, a popular Bitcoin wallet app for your iOS device. The app provides user with a secure and user-friendly way to store, send, and receive Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.